So we're going to get started building our website, and the first thing I'm going to want to take you through is kind of getting familiar with the WordPress admin portal to get used to what it looks like, navigate around, and so you get more comfortable. And there's a couple little things we got to do before we get started. So let's go ahead and go to the dashboard right here. And this is going to be your main sort of navigation page for the back end of your website. Again, this black bar is only going to be visible by you when you're logged in. And if you ever want to see what your website kind of currently looks like, you can always come over here to the left corner and hit Visit Site. And it'll take you to your domain name. And this is what it currently looks like. This is the default theme that comes installed with WordPress, and it's ugly. We do not want this. So let's go ahead, go back up here to dashboard. And again, don't forget this bar is only visible to us. So you're going to want to go back to dashboard. And let's first make certain that our WordPress software is the latest, most up-to-date version. So come down under dashboard to updates. Go ahead and click updates. And you'll see, for me, I just downloaded this WordPress. We just installed it, and it happens to have the latest version. If it doesn't, you'll see just you can just hit download, and automatically it'll apply the newest version of WordPress for you. So go ahead and do that now if you don't have the latest version. And then we'll want to go back to the dashboard,